Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT X19 S, and today I'll show you how you can boot the device into factory mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key and select power off. And once the device turns off, you'll then hold power key and volume down. Yeah, so now that it's off, let's hold power key and volume down at the same time, and let go of the power key once you see the CUBOT logo. And as you can see, we are now in the factory mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate, so volume down goes down and up does nothing, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And as you can see from here, we can do several different tests on the device. This is a good place to test your device if, for instance, you're buying it off of someone and you want to quickly see if everything works just fine, if someone is just not trying to scam you and sell you a device that, for instance, something in it doesn't work. So in here, for instance, a manual test, you will basically be able to go over each component of the device and test it if it's working. And then we have the test reports. We have also debug test, clear eMMC, which is just a general factory reset of the device, version information, and then simple reboot of the device. Now, because I want to leave this mode, there's nothing more to show in here. I'm gonna stick with the reboot and confirm it with power key, which will just bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.